And a good Wednesday afternoon to everyone. Thanks for clicking on the CBS 7 Pinpoint Weather webcast for today. Well, we have another scorcher out there as we have clear skies all across the area as we take a look at the satellite and radar composite for today. And once again, we have all those showers and thunderstorms lingering around the Louisiana, Mississippi area, well away from our region. And again, we have that potential of some shower and isolated thunderstorm activity today. And as we take a look at dew points across much of the area, again, we have very moist levels to our east, and again, more dry pattern towards our western portion of our viewing area. So anywhere along this line here, we could see an isolated scattered shower or thunderstorm begin to pop up around the region. But again, like previous days, these are very isolated in nature, and once they do rain themselves out, they are gone. So as we take a look at the 10 o'clock hour around much of the area, the winds do actually start to pick up from the southeast, anywhere between 15 to 25 miles an hour. So you can see a west-southwest wind trying to make its way into the area, but we remain to have a southeast wind anywhere around the area. So as we look into morning hours, those start to kind of calm down. We'll see a south wind anywhere between 5 to 15 miles an hour. Again, that west-northwest wind still tries to make its way over here towards the Odessa Midland area, but still remains fairly light, even around the mountainous areas around Marfa and the Alpine region. But as we go through the noontime hour, again, we have more variable winds around the area, still anywhere between 10 to 15 miles an hour. Overall, not too bad as we've seen the past couple of days, and we don't see them really start to pick up until the evening hours, and that's certainly what's going to happen as we go through the 5 o'clock hour. The west-southwest wind tries to make its way back into our area, once again fighting for dominance with that southeast wind. So at the 5 o'clock hour, we'll see the winds once again start to pick up anywhere between 10 to 20, and most certainly by 10 o'clock, we'll have a little bit of a southeast wind start to get back into our area, 10 to 15 miles an hour. So as we take a look at water vapor across the area, we're still under the impression of high pressure continuing clockwise in the Gulf of Mexico right now, and that's where we're getting more of our southeasterly flow. But we also have a low pressure system just trying to make its way from the southwest, or the northwest, I should say. And again, these are the two systems that are kind of fighting for dominance around our area, but still nonetheless leading to very dry conditions, even in our upper levels of the atmosphere as well. So as we take a look at the sky forecast this evening, we should pick up a few clouds around the region, and again, this is the area where we could get an isolated shower or thunderstorm. I think around the Fort Stockton, Jeff Davis region has the better chance, like they have been for the past couple of days. And even at the 10 o'clock hours, things still picking up a little bit of cloud coverage around much of the area, but quickly start to dissipate as we go into the morning hours. So as we go through Thursday around the noontime hour, again, we'll still look for more clear conditions around much of the area. Rain still sticking off well to the southeast of us, and as we see another hot day in store for us here for your Thursday. As we continue to the 5 o'clock hour, again, we'll see a little bit of cloud coverage start to pick up once again with that daytime heating as we go at the 5 o'clock hour. And as we go even further into the 10 o'clock, we'll see mostly clear conditions. So not really seeing a whole lot of cloud coverage for your Thursday, mainly sunny conditions. So as we take a look at your overnight low, 74 for us here in Odessa Midland, 75 out in the Big Spring area. A little bit cooler down towards Marfa into the lower 60s at 62 degrees. And Pecos, you'll be at 70. But another scorcher for tomorrow for your Thursday, 104 for Odessa Midland, 105 out in the Big Spring area. Pecos topping into the upper 100s at 107, and even 112 degrees down in Presidio. So as we take a look at your 7-day forecast, another hot one for tomorrow. A few clouds lingering around the area. Again, we have that isolated chance of shower activity, 104. 74 for Friday morning, 102 as we go into Friday afternoon. And again, we'll see plenty of sunshine for Friday to end your work week. And as we go into the weekend as well, we'll still be in the hundreds, 100 on Saturday, 99 on Sunday. And as we start the next work week, still plenty of sunshine around the area, temperatures in the upper 90s.